Hi, my name is Inta and this is the Faculty of Education. So let's check it out inside. There's so much to see that I need a cup of coffee first. One espresso, please. This faculty cafe actually hires people with various disabilities. Thank you very much. Whoa, all right, let's get into it. It's amazing how people can get so creative here, as you can see yourself. But it doesn't mean we can dive more into technical stuff. After all, teachers need to understand chemistry, biology, robots and IT, and also the practical skills. Hi, there you are. Come on, let's go to the library. In this library, you can find thousands of books about English, physics, special education, and more. Do you know what? Let's check out the Department of Special Education. We try to be as inclusive as possible and allow students to have a hands-on practice with the special equipment. The equipment in this room helps to work with children with special education needs. We also have special rooms for autistic children, so we can work with them here at the faculty. We're also eco-friendly, that's why we have our own solar power plant, which used to be the biggest in the country actually. And you know what? We have the view of Spielberg Castle and Petrov Cathedral. If the weather is nicer, I love to relax here with our faculty cat. Well, this was just a small part of our faculty. Hope to see you guys here soon!